Welcome back again to the channel where I give you skincare tips that are guaranteed to make your skin glow, shine and look healthy, youthful and radiant within a short period of time. If you're new to this channel or if this is the first time of seeing my face, please consider subscribing. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about how to restore and repair a damaged skin barrier from using bleaching product. Now, if you're someone who knowingly or unknowingly you've used bleaching products for a prolonged period of time and your skin is now damaged, you now have dark marks on your face looks irritated, continuously red, itchy, it looks like there is a permanent scar on your face, or maybe your damage is even on your body is continuously dry, ashy, flaky, and then you are now having darkening areas or more darkened areas of your body and you don't know what to do. This video is for you. Okay, I'm going to be curating a skincare routine that is going to help you start repairing your skin barrier and move you from damaged skin to healthy skin within a short period of time. Bleaching products contain strong whitening in bleaching ingredients. I don't even want to call it whitening. They contain bleaching ingredients that could be hydroquinone, mercury, or any other highly potent bleaching agent on the skin. Right now, when you use those products, they sort of thin out the layer of your skin. They make it less thin. If for instance this is a thickness of your skin, right, when you start using bleaching products, it start thinning it out and leaves a very thin layer left, and so your body needs to compensate. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. Your skin needs to compensate, no matter the skin lightening or products that you try to use, because even though those products are trying to act, your skin is kind of like fighting it back by producing more and more and more melanin just to be able to keep up. So today I'll be giving you like a step-by-step protocol that you can use to repair your skin barrier. Right, what these products are going to do for you is that they are going to gently hydrate your skin, they are going to repair your skin barrier, they are going to gently fade out dark spots and over time give you a healthy, plumpy, fresher looking skin. Before I go into the skincare routine and step by step how you're going to use this product, I want to mention something that depending on how long you have used bleaching products, right, you may not see results as fast as someone who just recently started using these bleaching products. So you need to give it time. The minimum time that these products will actually be able to work for you, heal and restore your skin barrier back to its former self or even to a better state, is about 3 months, right, for people who haven't used bleaching product for extended periods of time. But if you've used it for extended and extensive periods of time, you may be looking at 6 months to a year or even 2 for some people. Yes, it's going to take that long to restore your skin barrier, but with consistency and patience. You need a truckload of patience for you to see results with this product. But I guarantee you that if you stick to it, your skin look, the look of your skin or your outlook of your skin is going to be even more better than before you started using that skincare that bleaching product. The first product you want to buy if you want to repair or get on your journey to healing your damaged skin barrier from bleaching is the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Now, I have created this product so that you can use them on both your face and on your body, right? And I'll be specifying which ones to use where. Now, for the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, you can use it on both your face and on your body, so a bit economical. Right now, what this product is going to do for you on a basic level is that it's just going to clean your skin of dirt, oils and all those kind of rubbish, right? The other thing that this product is going to do for you is that because your skin barrier is damaged and thin from using bleaching products, right, it's just going to gently wash off dirt from your skin. It's not going to irritate or further irritate your already inflamed red and irritated skin. So that's why I'm recommending you get the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. The next product you would need to purchase is focused on barrier repair, right? And for that, I would recommend you get the Cosrx Snail Mucin Power Essence. You would also need to use this on your face and on your body. Now, for what this product is going to do for you is that on your face, right, it will reduce your skin sensitivity. It will mostly hydrate, plump your skin, and make it less flaky and dry, right? Good. Even on your body, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to just provide hydration, like a perfect moist environment for your skin cells to begin to heal themselves. That is what this Cosrx Power Essence is going to do for you. The reason why I'm recommending this Cosrx Power Essence is because it contains glycoproteins and hyaluronic acid, right? And what these are going to do for you is focus barrier repair. This is one of the powerhouses that you really need to get. If you can't get any other thing in this list I'm going to be giving you, get this Cosrx Power Essence. It's going to focus on barrier repair, provide the perfect environment for your skin to even start healing itself before you introduce too many other products. The next product I'm going to recommend is the it's a product that is just going to be soothing, brightening, and calming, right? And this product is to be used only on your face, right? It's the Aquel Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner. Now, what this toner is going to do for you is that it's going to give you both hydration and brightening benefits, right? So Aquel licorice toner contains licorice, and licorice is a brightening agent. It will reduce the production of melanin on your skin and allow newer skins, allow a more brighter skin to form and come to the surface. Another thing that this toner is going to do for you is that it's just going to calm any inflammation on your skin. Remember that you already used a calming cleanser, right? This one is just going to calm any inflammation on your skin. It's not going to irritate your skin further and just prep it for moisturizer and every other thing else you're going to do. So you want to include the Aquel pH Balancing Licorice Toner, Cleansing Toner. It's a long name, so sometimes I jumble it up together, but you want to include it in your skincare routine to repair your damaged skin, to provide hydration, to sort of just prep the environment so that you can introduce every other thing into it. Now, step 4 in your healing journey healing journey sounds funny. Step 4 in your healing or your journey to a healthier skin barrier from bleached and damaged skin is deep moisturizing and skin repair. Now, for this I would recommend one of two products, right? You can either get the Cetaphil moisturizing cream or lotion, or you get the CeraVe moisturizing cream or lotion. Now, you can use these products on both your face and on your body, so you don't have to, you know, worry yourself about going to buy different products for both your face and your body. Now, what this is going to do is that it's going to deeply moisturize your skin. It's going to inject moisture deep into your skin and sort of help it to start healing from the inside out and heal very fast. These are powerhouses. These are potent products that, you know, will start healing all of the damage that the bleaching agents have done to your skin and just allow newer skin to form in a faster period of time. Because I don't want to leave you with any active, and because for damaged skin, right, I've already mentioned all the things that you need to do, because the focus is, you know, hydration, barrier repair, and moisturization, right? Now, sometimes you may need to add an active to particularly tackle dark spots and dark areas of your body, because if you have damaged skin from using bleaching agents, the likelihood that you already are struggling from dark elbows, dark knees, you know, dark knuckles and dark spots, pigmented spaces or portions of your face is very high. And that's why I'm adding azelaic acid to this. I think the ordinary 10% azelaic acid suspension is one active I would ask you to add to your routine. What this will do is you just apply it to those particularly dark areas of your skin. If you are sensitive, you might want to apply it on top of your moisturizer, right? A little bit of it to all of those, you know, really dark spots area that have come and refused to go as a result of using bleaching cream. Your knuckles, your knees, your ankles, your elbows, you apply a thin layer of it to the skin around that area. Now, what azelaic acid is going to do is, like, it's a powerhouse that fights darkening, right? It's going to fight that darkening property or that darkened portion of your skin and allow it to begin to lighten little by little. Remember that you are also putting in other powerhouses like the snail mucin, the hydrating cleanser, the moisturizer, you know, very good products. All of them will work together to make sure that all of the dark areas of your skin begin to fade out. It will the moisturizers and the snail essence will introduce plump, you know, youthfulness and freshness to your skin, so that way you are already on your way to having healthier and healed skin. Now, because I don't want to leave you unprotected, I have to tell you that sunscreen is a must-have in this routine. If you are buying 1 bottle of moisturizer, please buy 2 bottles of sunscreen at this stage of your journey. Because of the dark marks on your face, you need to apply generous amounts of sunscreen on your face. And if you can also afford to buy body sunscreen as well, I'm going to look for a picture of the body sunscreen that is quite economical that you can use and paste it somewhere here. But I think it's the Hajimoto. One big sunscreen like that is a Japanese or Chinese sunscreen, but it comes in an economic quantity that you can, you know, comfortably use on your body, and it will give you value for money and also protect you from further sun damage. Now, for your face, you can use the Elta MD UV sunscreen. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen that is going to, you know, also contribute to reducing the darkening on your skin. Not only will it do that, it can also introduce some hydration to your skin, but the ultimate is that it will give you both UVA, UVB, ultra protection from the sun, so that, you know, you are covered. You see this routine that I gave you, right? It's a banging routine. Every area of your skin that needs to be addressed, from the effects of, you know, flakiness, dryness, itchiness, redness, and irritation that can happen to you because of the bleaching agents that you use. I have something in this routine that will tackle it collectively for you. The best approach is to get everything collectively, but if you can't afford to, or your focus is to heal your face first, you might want to go in with the Cosrx power essence, right? That one is going to focus on barrier repair and, you know, moisture and hydration to the skin. That is the first step: barrier repair and hydration, for you to get your skin back to what it used to be. That is the comprehensive skincare routine for you to get your skin on its way to healing if you have damaged skin. But just to summarize, so that you can know what to use in the morning routine and what to use in the night routine, let me quickly read out what you need to, the steps, but step by step, how you need to follow this routine in the morning. The first thing you need to do is go in with a gentle cleanser. I already mentioned the CeraVe hydrating cleanser, right? So you go in with that cleanser, then you go in with either your snail mucin or your licorice toner, one of the two. If you have the toner, use the toner first. If you also have the snail mucin, then you can go over it with the snail mucin. Now, after that is done, right, you can apply the azelaic acid to areas of your skin that are deeply pigmented. Gentle application, small portions on those areas, because at this point what we are actually focusing on is skin barrier repair, hydration, and plumpiness. That's the first thing we need to address, right? So you just put a dab on the areas of your skin that are severely pigmented with azelaic acid. Now, after you've done that, right, the next thing you go in with is your CeraVe cream. Go in with the CeraVe cream all over your face. Generous quantities of the cream, so that it will, you know, just make the environment perfect for your skin to start healing. Then for you going with your sunscreen. Okay, great. Now for your body, you just want to go in with the gentle cleanser, the snail mucin, the azelaic acid to those dark areas, and then your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. So it's a similar routine. It's just that in the face on, you have to go in with the licorice toner if you are using the toner. But if you don't have the toner in your routine, just do the cleanser, do the snail mucin, you know, do the azelaic acid, then do the body cream, which is the CeraVe or Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and then your sunscreen. That is that for your morning or daytime routine. Now for your nighttime routine, you can repeat the entire process, okay? The same thing, repeat the entire process. If you need to also watch your skin sensitivity to especially the azelaic acid, and then decide maybe to use it once or twice a week, or just in the night, or once a day. If you choose to use it once a day, I'd recommend that you use it only at night, okay? But make sure you have abundant sunscreen in your purchase whenever you are going to the market to buy these things. So yeah, that is all about how to systematically heal your damaged skin from using bleaching products. I also want to emphasize again as I close and finish this video that get sunscreen. Another thing you can do is stay hydrated, drink a lot of water so that your skins Mercy, what's wrong with you today? Anyway, I was saying you need to drink a lot of water, take in a lot of fruits, right? Just so that your skins, what's wrong with me? Just so that your skin can start also healing from the outside as you are trying to, you know, make it better. Please, what I'm trying to say is this, right? You need to drink a lot of water, eat a lot of fruits, right? Just so that your skin can start also healing from the inside, while all these products I've mentioned will be doing the work from the outside, and then you see very much faster results. Now, despite all these things I've said, you still need to be patient. Minimum for you to get your skin back, like I said before, will take 3 months if it's not severely damaged, and possibly up to a year if it's severely damaged. So you need to be patient with your products, and you need to be patient with yourself. Now, if you do everything I've said you should do, what you're going to eventually get is stronger, firmer, healthier looking skin, plumpier, youthful looking skin that is healthy and, you know, a pleasure to look at. I guarantee you these products are going to give you value for money, and they are going to work effectively to restore your skin health back to what it was and even better, okay? So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I've given you everything you need. If you're worried or concerned about what sunscreens to get, I mentioned to get the Elta MD UV broad spectrum, right? But I know that that's not commonly available. But if you go to my channel, you would see videos of sunscreens that I've reviewed, and another video of top 10 sunscreens that are good for hyperpigmentation. Pick any one of them that is within your budget. You can pick the La Roche-Posay. I advise to get that one. If you can get your hands on the Black Girl sunscreen, that's also a good one. CeraVe also has a mineral sunscreen that's also great. You can also get more affordable ones like the Skin Aqua, the Nivea, the Sun Court. Which other ones? There are a couple of them. Doctor somebody, there are sunscreens that are affordable but still give you protection from UV rays in the market. So watch that video, give it a like, give this video a like too as well. Comment down below your thoughts on this video, and let me know what you'd like to see me film or talk about next, and I'll see you in my very next one. Bye bye.